Are you trying to boost your metabolism and shape your muscles but don't know if plant protein powder will get you results? Don't worry, this is often a common question for many people, and today we're going to help you answer your question while clearing up any misconceptions around plant protein. As always, let's get into it. First thing that I'm going to be talking about is that plant protein is not a complete protein. And if we don't have a complete protein, it makes things harder for us to build muscle. Our muscles need 9 amino acids to help us build that muscle. And if 1 or 2 amino acids are missing, we don't have a complete protein, and it's very crucial that you get all 9 amino acids so that you can build muscle effectively. You can do this by adding things like pea or brown rice protein. This would help us complete the protein so that we're getting all of those amino acids without lacking nutrients. And since we're not lacking those nutrients, we're going to feel more full. And in return, this also helps us with things like weight loss. But some examples of a complete plant protein are things like soy, quinoa, hemp seeds, and buckwheat. So if you're looking for options where you don't have to miss out on certain amino acids, these examples would be go-tos if you're trying to feel full, trying to build muscle, and trying to get the results that you're looking for. When people hear that plant protein is not a complete protein source, it often pushes them away from seeking out other options of protein powder, when obviously there are complete proteins out there that actually satisfy you, get the results that you want, and help you lose weight. And obviously, every vegetable or green has some source of protein, but some of them are not always high enough in protein, so adding other sources of protein can boost that protein source and make it higher protein and more filling. Our second misconception when it comes to plant protein powder is that plant protein does not exist. If anyone watching is a beginner and is looking for the answer to if plant protein is something that you can actually use on your diet, the answer is yes. Don't listen to the small-minded people that seem to think that plant protein cannot exist because of the fact that it's vegetables or greens, that the only protein sources that you can ever get are from things like meats. We know that all vegetables or greens have some sort of protein, but not all of them are created equal. Hence why I was talking about making a complete protein source. Also, another benefit that comes with vegetables and greens is that we get in more fiber, which makes it more volume for us and low in calories. However, that being said, certain vegetables or even grains like quinoa and hemp seeds and buckwheat, like I was mentioning before, they can actually have more calories because they are also a carb source. So it's very important that you pick ones that are going to help you with your weight loss journey and with losing weight and burning fat while also building muscle to boost your metabolism. So you never have to worry about going hungry with plant protein, because as long as you can make it a complete protein, you'll also meet nutrition needs and help with recovery from workouts. So you see, plant protein can be very beneficial for your weight loss journey or your fat loss journey in replace of meats or whey protein powders or animal products if you're trying to see results. If you're looking to see changes in your body and in your physique, plant protein powder can be great for you, just like other forms of protein powders. It all comes down to what your diet looks like and what specific changes you want to make with your nutrition. So don't be afraid to give it a try. It might be the best thing that you have ever done.